Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's me, SB. I'm so glad that you're back. So today I have a little bit different video before Easter, of course. So this video will be up probably Friday when you'll be watching it. Friday, Good Friday. So thank you all for coming and joining me today. Anyways, so today's video is going to be just a work in progress video and some of the things that I completed over the 4 months since January to now. And a lot of this stuff I have not been filming doing because it's just kind of on the whim type thing. So you see my little swatch here. This is made from crochet cotton using a number 7 crochet hook, steel crochet hook, and I was just experimenting with some lace, and the result of that is this cute little excuse me, this cute little bralette, and this is how it turned out. I was experimenting with adding some elastic on the inside and also experimenting with the increasing on, the increasing on this bra top. So eventually I will like to add a little more shaping to this because it is a little short, but I think it came out pretty good other than that. And it does have a little stretch, as you can see. I feel like for the next round, the next go round, I'm gonna shorten the elastic by 2 inches instead of by just 1, which is what I did here. And let me know if you would like to see a video on there or on this, and leave a comment below saying hashtag lace bralette or hashtag lace lingerie set, because I also made some thong underwear. Now this was a little bit more of a challenge to add the lace to, and I used one of my thongs as a basis. So next go round, definitely I'm going to make the thong part here longer and this a little bit wider. Other than that, everything pretty much came out the way it should have. Definitely I would have to make the waistband longer as well, so that way it will compensate for the elastic. Now as for this elastic, I used elastic thread. I don't think you can see it because it is white, so you can kind of, it's right in there. And what I did was I just slip stitched it on to the edges all the way around, and I also put it around these edges as well. So basically next time what I'm going to do is use some fold over elastic or some lingerie elastic, which I know they sell because I looked it up. But that's for a later date. So yeah, let me know if you would like to see a video on this set. It already has, of course it's white, and it already has like something on it. Anyways, so yeah, there it is. One of my projects that I completed, and I made this completely without a pattern. Pretty cool, huh? It's amazing what you can do once you understand crochet. Of course, crochet is a lot about math, so, and I'm not that great at it, but I figure it out. Next project that's been in the works forever, this is actually a work in progress, is this. ooh, what's that? Something else. So it's all full of my cat hair, so please ignore that. But here it is, because Neo's been laying in it. My God. He really loves this. It's a mosaic crochet. My plan was to make a pillow, like a pillowcase. And I was going to make it double-sided. And it was going to have like an opening, like an overlap, like this. Something like that. Yeah, still haven't really gotten into it. So here it sits in my little project bag that I have. Move that out of the way. Next up that I've been working on since last year, and I have yet to finish it, you might have seen a little video of me working on the tapestry tip video. But yeah, here it is. The front and the back is complete. How does this go? Like that. I also have one of the sleeves done, which is sitting back there. I just didn't feel like grabbing it. But yeah, my oversized coat is going. Hopefully I'll have it done by this winter, because it's already spring. My God. There it is. Wow. So hopes for the end of the year to finish those. Another thing I'm working on is sort of a summer cover-up. Sorry, I know that's loud. And I made these motifs with the hopes of adding this at the bottom for the skirt. Like that. So yeah, this is going to be the skirt bottom. And then I still haven't worked out how I'm going to work the top out, but I don't know. I don't know how it's going. I've started this over like several times for this part and just could not find a stitch pattern that I liked. So yeah, here it is. I think this is called Burgess crochet. Burgess stitch crochet. It's where you work in like short rows and you work back and forth. Let me know if you would like to see a video on this. Drop a comment below and put something like hashtag Burgess or Belgium crochet stitch, something like that, and so that way I know what you're talking about. So yeah, that's the extent of that. So here are the little motifs here. Some of them I messed up horribly on, but you can't tell. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. So that is a work in progress. I'm actually currently working on that. Another thing that I've worked on this year was my 3D printed doll, and I made her some boots, and I think they came out so cute. So very cute. Look at that. Just like the cutest little boots ever. So let me know what you think about those. I thought they were so cute. I'll give you a closer look at them. Whoops. And this was made out of craft foam. And I'm so dumb because I used blue and then I painted it. And I was like, oh my God, I had black craft foam and I don't know why I chose blue. Anyways, and this is made out of faux leather. And then I just stitched it. I glued it together and then stitched around it. Anyways, it's a whole process. Yeah. So cute. I love them. Another thing that I made for my doll was a wig, which you saw that probably. And this wig attracts so much stuff. Come on. Little strands of stuff. But yeah, there's her wig with some tacky stick in there because I couldn't, I made it too big. Man, those allergies are bad. We had a bad windstorm these past couple of days. It was awful, and you know, breathing in all that dust, not good for you. Anyways, I also made her this little bra. Look how cute that is. And I used a real pattern, like an adult size pattern, scaled it down to doll size, and then utilize that. Of course, the back doesn't look as neat, but nobody sees the inside anyways. But look at that. Oh my God, it's so cute. I just wish I had elastic that was smaller. But other than that, it came out really, really cute. So yeah, my doll is naked right now, but I just wanted to show you these little things that I've been working on. And I also made her some little underwear that did not come out nearly as cute as the brassiere there. But here's her little underwear. Not nearly as cute. Like I said, I wish I had thinner elastic, but you know, that's for a later date. Also made her some funky pants. Look at these pants. They did not come out too good. They look like clown pants, but I made them nonetheless. I made her some little socks. Here they are. Really cute. They're so cute. And then I made her a little sweater, also from a sock. But unfortunately, it's starting to have runs in it, so that's the price of using a sock. Came out super cute, though. I did make her another pair of pants, I thought, but I do not know where they went. Either way, here's the pattern that I created for that. Yeah, I was making her another pair of pants, but I got distracted. As you can see, I have a lot of projects that I start to do and then don't finish. That's what happens. I'm trying to focus and keep cool, you know. It's kind of hard sometimes, though. I get really, really distracted. But anyways, that's the extent of this video. I just wanted to share with you guys a little bit. And yeah, I mean, let me know, do you guys tend to do that, like in your crafting stuff? Do y'all like just start a project and then kind of get bored of doing it and then just kind of set it aside for like 6 months and then go back to it and finish it? I know that's what I do all the time, and my husband always gets so like, why don't you just finish a project? Why are you starting a new one? Oh my gosh. Anyways, I did complete a series of videos that are coming out on making a junk journal. That's really what I've been focusing so far. Let me see. I did make this junk journal a couple months ago, actually. It's really, really simple, and I wanted something that I could basically switch out the pages. So I use this elastic on the inside to hold my pages in there, and then just printed out some lined paper in landscape mode. So yeah, it came out really, really good, I thought, aside from this, but pretty good. I like the way it came out. I mean, it's sturdy, it's small enough to fit, you know, wherever I put it, basically. It's pretty nice. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Once again, I want to thank everybody who watches, everybody who subscribes, everybody who hits that like button, because quite frankly, I'm just amazed that I reached 1,000 subscribers, and I mean, I love it. So thank you so much to everybody. I really do appreciate it. And keep on crafting. I mean, even if you have 1,000 works in progress, just keep on crafting. Why not? Makes you feel good, makes me feel good. So yeah, I'll catch you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye!